Hi. Hey everybody. What's up? It's me, Najah Marie, back with another video. And today I've got packages. Oh, I just hit myself in the face. Yeah, I've got packages. So we're doing an unboxing video. Okay, so I purchased some things from Amazon over the July 4th weekend and they finally came in today. I've already wiped them down and it's been sitting in my room for a whole 24 hours. So now I'm going to start unboxing. Typically, YouTubers usually have a knife, a pocket knife, a box cutting knife, some kind of knife, but I don't have an unboxing knife with me today, so I'm using these scissors. So let's get into cut. Which one do I want to start off with first?
Baby, what is it doing?
Yay! So one box is open. So I got a case, a screen protector, and a pen, and an empty box. Let me open the next thing. I got a new iPad. Apple's products are so pretty, really pretty. I don't even want to open it out the box, but this is an unboxing video, so ripping. All right, so let's open the box. Yay! Okay, top is off. Wow, this thing is huge. Oh, obviously inside the packaging you get this lovely gold. I got it in gold. This is Apple's 10.2 iPad that came out last year. Yeah, last year. And I got it in gold because that was the only one they had available. I really wanted the space gray one because it was so pretty, but the gold one will have to do. So this is the iPad, and then you know you get your charging cable, the plug-in charger, and all of the stuff that Apple sends you that no one really pays attention to aside from the stickers. The other three things that I bought include this stylus pen. So this is the pencil. Let me take it out of the packaging, and wow, like it feels very sturdy. Doesn't feel flimsy. And then it comes with a pluggy charger that I think goes like this, and I just plug it into probably the same socket from my iPad. Extra pen nibs, and I don't know what this is. I think it's just a cloth to keep it clean. Next is this. Obviously it's a screen protector, and you use it to protect your stuff. Duh. I'm just joking with you. Now I got this one because there's another. So this is a Paperlike screen protector, which is another dupe for this other brand which has the exact same name called Paperlike, which is more expensive, and it basically does the same thing that this does, where it protects your screen, but it makes your screen feel like you're writing on paper. so it's easier for you to take notes and draw. So now I'm gonna open it. Oh, it even has instructions on the back. That's cool. Ow. Here's the protector. And the next thing that I got is a case. And I was looking for one that was like super sturdy, could protect my iPad from everything, and also had like a stand to it as well, so I could easily like prop it up and work on something, work on an art piece. And I found this by ZUGU. It's a ZUGU case, and it on Amazon, I believe it is $50. Just open. Ooh, that new case smell. Alright, so this is the case. Let's see what else is in here. Let me open it up. Okay, so comes with the extra styrofoam, gel packets, and extra stuff. And oh my god, the inside, look at the inside. Look how luxurious this looks. Like, oh my god, my iPad is gonna be like just wrapped in luxury. And yes, this is the case. Okay, so now that I am done opening up and unboxing everything, let me put this screen protector on and put it in, get everything together, and then I'll be back. Okay, you guys, I'm back, and this is the laptop. Oh cool, it locks whenever I close the cover. Anyway, yes, this is my iPad all set up. Yes, this is my iPad all set up with apps that I'll be using, and yeah, everything works really nicely, and I love it. So thank you guys so much for watching this video, and if you haven't already, don't forget to hit that like button and comment below whether you want to see my videos like this. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button below, and I'll catch you guys in the next time. Oh my god, in the next time. Like, what time is that? I'll catch you guys in the next one. Laters.